Kalong ke bas nyosi basha tombor kenong bela hamaulai Mawroh ong ba hek da kebaong ba kum kine ki kam Runar ke emlang salang kamla ban pediang kum menteri ke sarkar jelau ba hek ula Kyntu jur ya ke sarkar pan Pynshitom da ke ba Tyngeh ya ki Runar ki Donkti hakum kine ki kam Runar ki bakta ya ke jingim ki Briew aba batai chpang we unong bela basa ha pinthor kra ba hek ula ong ba udai ba loi ba leit la ke kam bela ban kamai jakpot bat bendap ya ke ying hinre ula sha Pynïap haki Runar ki ba don shu ke mensim Briew kumta kum ya kine jingja la ban ya sha kumta ka sarkar kade ban le Tyngeh lada yok kem ya ki Runar badang ti hakne kam Pynïap Briew
just about half an hour back, and I had contacted that family member. I told them now just still in the Negram hospital for maybe waiting for the post-mortem or other formalities to be done by the health department, by the Negram hospital. So this kind of the inhuman act, it cannot be tolerated. I cannot be tolerated also, and it should not be. Anybody who are involved in this kind of the inhuman criminal activities, they should be punished. What is tell me, he is a laborer working in somebody's houses, making building or somebody's people's house. They are building, they are hard working people earning their wages. How to kill this kind of innocent people? And we as a government, our police, they should take very stern action against these people who are taking the law in their hand.
We have seen that this is not the first case. Earlier also we have seen that similar case has happened where laborers were killed at Ichamati also. Don't you think that the law and order situation in the district is really a cause of concern?
See, today I read in this Shillong Time letter to editor, one gentleman had written a beautiful headlines. They are not killed, but they died by themselves. You have read this today. He has given a very right thing. By people, the government, and we, the government, we have not taken seriously to arrest the culprit. Like for he have not told for only for this is happening happening recently only. That is happening for long, many years back. This is inhuman has become too much in the state. It's become a shame for the people of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, it's become a shame. Everybody, what happened going to Meghalaya? They get killed. Like we are a barbarian here. We are not human being. Because of 1-2 people who are all inhuman act, the blame goes to the entire states of the people of our states.
Will you write?
Made him, I'll tell him, the Home Minister made him, I'll tell him, but I will write to the center, to the Honorable Union Home Minister. Why this kind of things happening in the EU? We have to do something from the central government. At least we should not allow this kind of inhuman act is happening in the state of Meghalaya.
I also agree that, with due respect, these are like racist incidents. Would you agree with that? Will you agree with that, that these are racist incidents?
Which one?
These incidents which have taken place, these are racist incidents. Will you agree?
I am telling you, no, there's in criminal activities, in inhuman act, there's so many cases are there. It might be because the looting, it might be it is not happening only in Meghalaya or India, it's happening everywhere in the world. Until unless you arrest a person, maybe has to be proven first. In what reasons they have become the victims. Now we cannot say because of races, or cannot say because of business, I cannot say because of any other thing which has not been proven. Once this proven, then we can tell.
Sir, do you feel that our law is or our police department is very lenient that this kind of activities is it cannot be checked?
I agree with you also. I agree with you. They has to take action immediately. Otherwise, we should not allow this kind of inhuman act been taking place time and again in the state of Meghalaya.
So are you?
I condemn this incident took place today, not just because it has happened today. Last time also I've condemned for Ishamati killing. Now also any inhuman act, I'm always condemning the inhuman act.